Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by taking control. Switch your camera to manual or shutter priority so settings obey you. Open the aperture to the lowest f number to admit more light. This also narrows depth of field, so watch focus. Increase ISO in small steps, 100 to 400, then 800, because higher ISO brightens but adds noise. Once done, check the histogram and live view. Make sure highlights aren't clipping. These initial moves give immediate brightness without breaking the frame's integrity. Next, adjust shutter speed to let in more light. Slow it but keep motion in mind. If you're shooting handheld, stay above the reciprocal of focal length for sharpness, or use a tripod for long exposures. Use exposure compensation when in semi-auto modes to nudge brightness without full manual control. Add reflectors, continuous lights, or LED panels to substantially brighten scenes. Position them to avoid flat light. Make sure to rebalance white balance after adding lights so colors remain natural. Finish by critically evaluating your frame. Inspect the histogram and enable highlight warnings to ensure no clipped whites. If grain appears from high ISO, apply in-camera noise reduction or handle it in post with software. Reduce noise but keep detail. If the image remains too dark, reopen the aperture, slow the shutter, or introduce more light. Combine adjustments incrementally. If motion blur or noise persists, troubleshoot, trade shutter for light or change lighting placement. You'll end with a brighter, cleaner image.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.